Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English workshop for standard 7. Students, we have learnt lesson number 1.5, seeing eyes, helping hands. Now we shall solve the exercise given behind it. The first exercise is, this passage contains 4 different types of invitation. They are a formal invitation, B, a notice, C, an oral invitation, D, another oral invitation. Now, first exercise, read each invitation carefully, keeping in mind the list of 8 questions given below. Note the answer in your notebook. Verify that the formal invitation A covers all the 8 points. Here it has been shown that the first one, a formal invitation A, contains all the 8 points. Here has been asked as 8 questions and we shall write their answers. Number 1 is, who is sending or giving the invitation? The principal of New Vision High School is sending the invitation. That is the answer for the first question. Second, what is the program? The program is inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. Number 3, what is the name of the project? The name of the project is Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. Who will inaugurate it? Srimati Vimla Naik, the former principal of New Vision High School and president of Sahayak Samaj, will inaugurate it. You may take the screenshot of these answers and may copy in your notebooks. Question number 5. Who will preside over the function? Dr. A. M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, will preside over the function. Preside means who will conduct the function. Number 6. What time will the function start? The function will start at 10 a.m. Question number 6. Question number 7. Where will it take place? The function will take place at the Assembly Hall of New Vision High School in Girgaon. Question number 8. How many names get mentioned in the invitation? 6 names are mentioned in the invitation A. So, this exercise has been solved. You may take the screenshot of this page also, and you have to copy the answers of this question in your notebook. Secondly, now see which of the 8 points are covered in the invitation B, C and D. Put tick marks against the point that are covered. Only invitation A covers all 8 points. B, C and D left some points. For example, in invitation B, the first point, who is sending the message, this information is not given. In invitation C, the point number 3, what is the name of the project is not mentioned. The point number 4, who will inaugurate it, this one is not also mentioned. And point number 5, who will preside over the function, this is also not mentioned. C is an oral invitation to the editor of the newspaper. And that is D. D is a message carried by the student to their parents. So in this message also point number 5 is not covered, who will preside over the function. That is not necessary to mention, I think. So this one is, this exercise has been also solved. You can watch the picture on your screen and may complete it accordingly. Second exercise, prepare a formal invitation for a school function you have arranged at home. It should clearly state the following points. Now this is an activity for you. You have to prepare a formal invitation. We have seen 4 types of invitation here. You have practiced much which points should be covered in an invitation. So all the points are also given here. You have to write the second invitation by yourself by covering all the points. Who is inviting the people to the function? Second, separately you have to write the invitation. In this you have to mention who is inviting the people to the function, the date and time, a polite request to attend the function, what the program is, the venue, place, the place where the function will take place. You have to cover all these points and prepare a invitation, formal invitation. Exercise number 3, write an imaginary telephone conversation in which you invite your friend to above function. Imagine that you are inviting your friend for a function. So you have to write a telephonic conversation in your notebook. Write the dialogue. How you say hi, hello, how you talk with your friend, what he or she answers you, and then how do you invite him or her for the function. That telephonic conversation, write 8 to 10 sentences. Imagine, exercise number 4. Imagine someone has invited your family to a program and you were the only person at home when the invitation was given orally. You have seen in this lesson that the children carry the message written on the notice board for their parents. But here it is asking that you are present at home. Your all family members are not present at home. Someone called you and invited for a function. So how the message you will carry to your parents when they come back home? Imagine someone has invited your family to a program and you were the only person at home when the invitation was given orally. Write a note 4-5 lines to pass on the passage to the other people in your family. Or write an imaginary conversation in which you pass the message to your parents. So this conversation you also have to write in your notebook how you will send the message. That is enough for today. Solve all the exercise in your notebook. We shall stop here and we shall meet with the next topic in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz and goodbye.